24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $335,542,163, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. ADA down around 4.43% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano's EMA fundamentally shows a truly descending pattern, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano generally shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they basically thought. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these much of the time really sought clarification on some pressing issues. What essentially is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Cardano, for the most part, is ADA an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth in a sort of large manner. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the ADA specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,136,850,397,543 in an unpretentious manner. The very all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $47,516,158,315, which in every practical sense shows that ADA down around 4.43% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which certainly is genuinely critical, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially, has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $47,516,158,315, which in a real sense shows that ADA down roughly 4.3% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a huge manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere near 6.93 and presently exchanging at 42 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM, really has seen a value reduction of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions generally show that the market basically is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a general most certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows that the 8th of May 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part is transient cost expectation for Cardano. Truly is ADA a sort of wise venture, which especially is very critical. Support really is a level at which purchasers sort of become certainly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers for the most part become commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded a downtrend, losing 4.43% in kind of most recent 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. The genuinely current worth of Cardano in a real sense is floating at 36 cents with the exchanging volume of $335,542,163 USD in the equivalent time period, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a value lessening of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical. The kind of by and large market cap for ADA explicitly is $12,642,411,049 USD, while the coin cost changes 5.62% over the course of the week, which sort of shows that various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside an essentially everyday time span fundamentally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Cardano's amount really shows a really descending pattern in a quite large manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving essentially normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the Cardano in an unobtrusive manner. The ADA USD moving exceptionally normal union and difference pointer in a real sense is showing an especially present moment in a real sense sell certainly signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath genuinely signal line, which really implies by and large bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano execution ADA explicitly has recorded a downtrend, losing 4.43% in all things considered, most recent 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. While ADA's Williams %R marker generally is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signal generally is conceivable at this rate. Truly further appearance how Cardano back and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which certainly shows that the 8th of May 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified pressing issues. What for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Cardano. By and large is ADA a sort of wise venture in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and truly is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength in an especially significant manner explicitly. The quick opposition for ADA for the most part is really found at 40 cents. And a breakout from this level could sort of leads towards the especially next obstruction, which can be explicitly found at 42 cents, which explicitly shows that Cardano's amass certainly shows a by and large descending pattern in a significant manner. On the especially other hand, in the event that the bear fundamentally assume command and ADA cost essentially neglects to basically break out above 40 cents, it could fall back towards the urgent help at 35 cents. Certainly further appearance how we utilize truly relative strength index, moving truly normal assembly and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal and dramatic moving kind of normal, to explicitly examine the future development of the Cardano, which basically is very critical. Ends there in every practical sense, had been a really bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will especially